Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to stream on Twitch using OBS 2024. So firstly, let's go to OBS Studio first. Now you have to click on this plus icon, this one, and you have to name it Twitch. Then you have to click on this sources plus icon, this one. You can see the cursor, right? Click on this and choose display capture and name it Twitch streaming. Click on OK. Now click on plus again and you'll find here audio input capture. Just click on OK and click plus again and choose video capture device. Click on this video capture device and click on OK. You can change the camera. Make it OBS Studio virtual camera. Now click on OK. You can resize this to here or make it anywhere you want the camera size system. And now you have to click on this settings icon. Click on settings. Then click on this stream. Now click on drop down menu and select Twitch. Now click on use stream key. Now you have to put here the stream key. How you can get this? You have to go to Twitch account and click on. Alright, hold on. Click on this and choose creator dashboard. Now scroll down and you'll find here settings. This one and choose stream now. And then you'll find here primary stream key. You have to copy and then paste it here. Now click on connect account. Now you have to put here the username and password. So I'm doing here the username and the password here. Now click on login. It is authenticating right now. Okay, your account has been connected. Now you have to just click on here apply, then OK. You can name it title and the year here, and then you have to go to output and you can see the video bitrate, which should be 6000, or you can write it manually. After that you have to click on apply, then click on OK. Okay, so guys, after that you have to just start streaming. You can cross this one and click on start streaming. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.